What's happening, folks? What's the crack? And we're back today for one of my favourite haircuts. So it is just undercut, nice textured wee bob, a couple of wee disconnected sections. As you can see in the pictures I've just put up there, that's the section pattern, straight down the middle, and then we're just going on angular sections. I'm going to cut quite a strong, sharp angle down into the nape of the neck. As you can see, I'm just working a really strong V section pattern, and at the same time we're cutting quite, pretty much the exact same angle that the section patterns are taken in. And we're just bringing that down into a point either side. Just using the edge of my comb to not create any tension on the hair. What I've cut out of this video is obviously all the combing and combing. I'm combing the hair constantly, maybe about 5 or 6 times before I take that first cut. As you can see, without tension, just pushing the hair down, comb it all down straight, make sure everything's where it needs to be, and then we're just cutting that nice V shape into the hair. Just point cutting out that wee tiny middle corner. And I'm just over directing them sections. Pretty much the same dodgy wee pictures, but they show the section patterns, and we're just following that line from the back of the head to the front of the head, not putting much tension on the hair, just holding everything in place, and just taking off them wee corners, checking the hair visually in the mirror, and there we go. As you can see, just over the ear there, we're just directing that back just to create that drop at the front. Just blunt haircut, it's nothing too crazy, nothing too scary. Just bringing everything down. That was a lot of hair coming off. Light bit of styling product on. Just bringing that fringe down, just checking where it's going to fall, and just blending that through. That's a triangle section, you'll see it in the pictures. Quickest blow dry ever. That's the triangle section at the front, and I'm just gently point cutting that, breaking up, shattering them edges. Obviously it's blonde hair, so we don't want it being too linear. You don't want to leave any scissor marks in the hair, and we're just, once again, everything is visually checking. Just play with the hair, see how it falls. Now I'm just going to go around here. I'm just going to take that angle up. As we were drying, we're like, well, we'll go a wee bit shorter, and we decided, yeah, we'll cut it a bit shorter. So just going through, obviously now the hair doesn't sit just as free when it's wet as when it's dry, so we're just going through, just taking a wee bit more off. And then because of graduation, unwanted graduation, then you'll see in a minute here, I'm just going to use the wee clippers to go underneath and just make sure that everything is perfect and as accurate as I can possibly make it. Just using the edge of the clippers to really just get a very definitive line. As I say, if we wouldn't have took that much more off, I probably wouldn't have needed the clippers just to refine this. can see, I'm just using the comb and the clippers just to very, very gently take off any excess strands of hair. Just take your time with this. As I say, we did the haircut wet and then decided that we wanted to go a wee bit shorter, so that's why we're just using the clippers. Took the excess bulk off with the scissors, and we're just using that clipper for extra accuracy. Now, this top section, them 3 circles, that's basically big circle at the top of the crown, twist everything up, and we're just gently slice cutting into that. And then we're going to do a back combing motion with the scissors, just getting rid of the excess there. You're going to see, there we go, this is under the next circular section. Twist that all up, that stops any lines or any scissor marks in the hair. And then we're just gently closing the scissors every time we move it down the hair. Take your time with this. Don't be too forceful, just take your time, and that just creates loads of longer and shorter bits within the hair without actually layering the full haircut. And just creates that nice bit of softness, a couple of wee random layers, you know, shorter bits, rather than a whole load of point cutting. As you can see, just faffing about with the fringe, just seeing how it's all sitting. Let a hairspray, and then we'll do the customary slow spin. It's a completely effortless haircut, really simple. No major layers, nothing, just one big straight blunt line at the very, very bottom, and it's so effective. I'd really appreciate it if you could give the video a wee like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Peace out.